Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to set up a web server on Linux. A web server is a process which hosts the requests generated by clients, and we will be using Apache 2 because of its powerful characteristics. The root and port are these some technical terms. You can have a look on the definitions. And now we are ready. So first we open a terminal session and check for updates. But I already have checked for updates, so I will not do this. And now we install Apache 2 with this command. But I already have installed it, so you will enter yes for this. Okay, we open our web browser and we enter localhost where we already have placed our SEEX website, for example. This is because we already have configured this website on standard port 80 for HTTP. So we entered localhost and it opened. If we go to var and www and seeks.com, here we have placed the SEEX website documents which we can show there on the website. Here in etc and Apache 2 we have a file ports.conf where we configure the port where our server will be listening to the requests. And also in the configuration of seeks.com we have configured a port which should be same as that of the web server port. And we have other details like highlighted. And we save it, and this is how it works. It is the standard port for HTTP. Now let's say if we change this port to 8191 and save it, and Apache 2 and ports configuration file, here we also change the port to 81 and 91. Now we go to the terminal session and restart the Apache web server because of, we have changed the configuration, and enter localhost, and it is unable to connect because we have changed the port. Now if we enter the port 8191, it will successfully open again. It means that our new configuration is working fine. Now if we check it again, only localhost, and it doesn't work. But it works fine when we enter the port. Okay, now we go to var and www. Here we have example.com and con.org. We delete them to show you how these are configured. And we make the folder con.org, and we already have the SEEX web documents. We just copy and paste them in the con.org folder. And etc and Apache 2 and sites available, we have con.org already placed. This is the configuration file which has the port details and server admin, server name, server alias, document root, error log, custom log. We just save it and we go to con.org. Here we have one.jpg with bigger dimensions which won't set in the sports gala image window, and we have the cropped version. We just replace it with that. Okay, we go to etc and Apache 2 and the configuration file of the web server and change the port to 80. Also because we had 80 in the hon.org, and we go to the terminal and restart the Apache server and reload it. And open the web browser again and enter hon.org, and it is open, but it couldn't load the image1.jpg still because of higher dimension. And seeks.com, it also working fine because hon.org and seeks.com both are configured on port 80, so we did not have to enter that port in specific. Okay, how we use these names hon.org or seeks.com? This is because in the sites available folder we have hosts configuration file, and we have defined them here. This is hon.org, seeks.com, legend, and localhost, etc. These we can define others as well, just like these, and save it. And this is how hon.org we have configured, and same as seeks.com. So this is all, and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.